16 types of fig trees.
One. Brown turkey fig. The brown turkey fig tree Ficus carica is native to the south and west coast region of the United States. Are most suitable. It goes into dormancy in late fall. 5. Panache tiger stripe fig. The Panache tiger stripe does well in areas with an 8 to 10 hardiness zone. This means these places have warmer winters and quite hot summers. It won't do well in harsh and frosty winters, so try the southwest. It's a semi-dwarf fig tree that reaches heights of 12 to 15 feet when fully grown. From the moment you set your eyes on this fig, you notice its striped fruits that are a mix of pale yellow and green. Inside, the fig fruit's flesh is dark red and tastes like a mix of strawberry and raspberry. The Panache tiger striped fig is quite productive if it gets ample sunlight and grows in well-drained soil. 6. Excel fig. While many fig trees have been around for a long time, the Excel fig is a fairly recent species. It's a hybrid of the Kadota figs dating back to 1975. The good news is this fig does well in numerous areas with a hardiness zone of 7 to 10. A fully mature tree can reach heights of up to 15 feet and produces sweet figs. These fruits are medium-sized with a yellow-green outer layer. The inner flesh is amber and tends to taste like honey. One advantage is that these fruits are relatively resistant to splitting even in drought and other harsh conditions. It's perfect for adding lush and greenery to your backyard, giving you a spread of 15 to 20. Produce a bumper crop. It does well in areas with less sunlight, hence suitable for colder regions. You can even plant one in an area with partial shade. The fig tree will grow to heights of 12 to 20 feet, giving you medium-sized purple figs. These purple figs have amber flesh that tastes like honey with hints of caramel. As a cold hardy tree, you can plant it in areas with a hardiness zone of 7 to 9, and get a mature spread of 12 to 20 feet. It's a low-maintenance species resistant to diseases and can be a statement piece for your yard. 8. Kadota fig. Have you ever come across the fig Newton cookies? Well, those figs that come in these tasty treats are the Kadota figs from the Kadota fig tree. Generally, this is another of the cold hardy fig trees that you can plant in areas that receive moderate sunlight. The region Imagine a fig tree whose rootstock can survive temperatures of -20 degrees F. The Chicago hardy lives up to its name since it can survive in colder regions with hardiness zones of 5 to 10 feet. It only grows to a mature height of 12 feet and suits a backyard or container. This is an easy-going fig tree whose fruit has versatile use, including preservation. It gives an abundant yield of medium-sized figs with burgundy-purple skin. The flesh inside is light pink. You can have fruits 1 or 2 years after planting the tree in well-drained soil with a pH of 6.0 to 6.5. Planted in partial shade in a south-facing area. 13. Smyrna fig. With the wide variety of figs, you can easily encounter unique species like the Smyrna. This fig tree thrives in hardiness zones of 7 to 10 and requires daylight in the summer months to produce fruits. It has the potential of reaching 30 feet as a fully mature tree. However, it's possible to keep it small and grow in a container by pruning regularly. The tree produces medium-sized figs with a purplish-black outer layer and red, pinkish flesh. It's a self-fruiting tree that requires no pollination and is hardy to 5F. 14. Corky's Honey Delight Fig. Monrovia Nursery came up with the Corky's Honey Delight Fig variety that's quite a fast grower. This fig tree takes moderate time to reach a full height of about 12 feet in areas of a hardiness zone of 7 to 10. The tree has a foliage of grayish-green leaves and produces a bountiful of figs. These fruits are green at the beginning before they turn a yellowish color as they ripen. The ripe figs have a pinkish flesh that tastes as sweet as honey. It can do well in cold climates of up to 5F and can thrive in containers placed in a south-facing area. Full sunlight while bearing fruits is crucial for them to ripen. 15. SU Gold Fig. The southern parts of the US are the best areas to grow the SU Gold type of fig tree. It's a product of the Louisiana State University Ag Center, and it went into circulation in 2001. It's among the top fig trees, giving an abundant yield each year. It does well in areas that are dry and tend to have a hotter climate. A fully mature SU Gold can reach heights of up to 15 feet with a hardiness zone topping 11. These conditions make it possible to get large figs that are quite fleshy with a yellow-green skin. Inside the flesh is redor pinkish with a sweet flavor. 16. Olympian Fig. The Olympian fig is originally from Olympia in Washington. It was discovered by Denny McGaughy. The excellent news is this is quite an adaptable type of fig that does well in cold and hot climates. It can yield to good crops each year. The fig fruits are quite large for this dwarf fruit tree. They have a striped greenish-purple exterior. Inside, the flesh is red to violet and has an unforgettable honey-like taste. Its compact size and shape works in small gardens or containers. Contents: Hide 1. The 16 types of fig trees 1.11. Brown Turkey Fig 1.22. Peter's Honey Fig 1.33. Desert King Fig 1.44. Yellow Long-Neck Fig 1.55. Panache Tiger Stripe Fig 1.66. Excel Fig 1.77. Osborne Prolific Fig 1.88. Kadota Fig 1.99. SU Purple Fig 1.1010. Celeste Fig 1.1111. Black Mission Fig 1.1-12. Chicago Hardy Fig 1.1313. Smyrna Fig 1.1414. Corky's Honey Delight Fig 1.1515. SU Gold Fig 1.1616. Olympian Fig. The fig tree does well in well-drained soil with a pH of 6.0 to 6.5. You can grow it on the ground or on a container to minimize its height. Figs are nutritious and full of essential fiber.